What if one bike could handle your daily ride, your weekend escape, and still give you that thrilling sport feeling every time you twist the throttle? The new Triumph Tiger Sport 660 might just be that perfect balance riders have been waiting for. The Triumph Motorcycles has designed this bike for real-world riders. It's not just an adventure bike, and it's not just a sport bike. It sits right in the middle, giving you comfort, control, and fun all in one package. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out for a long ride, it adapts easily. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Tiger Sport 660 is a 660cc inline three-cylinder engine. It produces around 80 horsepower, delivering smooth and predictable power. The throttle response feels clean, making it beginner-friendly but still exciting for experienced riders. The bike also comes with ride-by-wire technology and multiple riding modes, so you can adjust performance based on your mood or road conditions. Comfort and design. This bike is built for comfort. The upright seating position reduces fatigue, especially on longer rides. The seat is well padded, and the windscreen offers decent wind protection. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to handle even in traffic. The design looks sharp and modern, with a sporty edge that stands out on the road. Features and technology. This bike comes with useful modern features like traction control, ABS, and a TFT display that shows all your ride information clearly. It also offers smartphone connectivity, so you can stay connected while riding. These features make the bike feel premium without being overly complicated. Who should buy it? This bike is perfect for riders who want one motorcycle for everything. If you need a daily commuter, a weekend touring machine, and still something that feels sporty, this is a great choice. It's especially ideal for new riders stepping into the middleweight category. This video is for informational purposes only. Specifications, features, and prices of the Triumph Tiger Sport 660 may vary depending on location and updates from the manufacturer. Always check with official dealers for the latest details.